Hello friends, welcome once again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make Vaseline petroleum jelly at home. So you will be learning how to make Vaseline in just 5 minutes. This is great for skin and hair care. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for making our Vaseline. So we'll be needing some petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, paraffin wax. You have to use little of this because this will define the hardness and how the final product will look like. Perfume oil and vitamin E oil. And now that we have our ingredients for making the Vaseline, let's go ahead to make our Vaseline. So I start by adding the paraffin wax to the petroleum jelly. Take to the heat to dissolve. Stir until they are completely dissolved. And after dissolving, remove from the heat, add in the paraffin oil and stir together. And next, also go in with the perfume oil and the vitamin E oil. Stir together too. Stir together to make sure all the ingredients are well combined. I'll be listing out the measurement of all the ingredients used for the production of this Vaseline at the end of this video. Once it's well combined, transfer into a container with a cover. Please, if this is your first time of watching my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for always being there. God bless you. I appreciate you. After pouring it into the container, cover and allow to solidify. Once it becomes solid, here you have our Vaseline petroleum jelly ready. And now let's open to see how it looks like. This came out very beautiful and perfect. And now that we have our Vaseline petroleum jelly ready, I'll take some of it and rub on my skin. Wow, this is perfect and great for the skin. And now that you have learned how to make Vaseline at home, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment and share this with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.